Hi dear students, welcome to new session. This is Firdaus Halimi and today we are going to study arcs and angles of a circle. Okay, an arc of a circle consists of 2 points on the circle and unbroken part of the circle between these 2 points. As you see here, arc of a circle consists of 2 points on the circle and unbroken part of the circle between these 2 points. Okay, as you see, this is called an arc. Okay, this is called an arc. Arcs are denoted by this shape. Okay, by this shape. It means AB, arc AB is shown by this. Okay, and the arc ACB is shown as ACB. Okay, ACB, arc ACB is denoted by this. Any 2 points of a circle divide the circle into 2 arcs. Okay, any 2 points of a circle divide the circle into 2 arcs. It means, look, we have 1 point, 2 points. Okay, so one arc is from A to C and another point from C to A. Okay, it means if you have 2 points in a circle, it divides the circle into 2 arcs. Okay, let's do not C to B. If you have 2 points, these 2 points divide the circles into 2 arcs. First arc AC arc, another one C to A arc. Okay, if the arcs are unequal, the smaller is the minor arc and the largest is the major arc. As you see here, they are not equal. AB is the smallest arc. Okay, so it's minor arc, and ACB is what? Major arc. Okay, an angle whose vertex is at the center of the circle is a central angle of the circle. As you see, we have an angle here. Okay, we have an angle here. If angle's vertex is on the center, okay, then it's called the central angle. The degree measure of a minor arc is equal to the measure of its central angle. That is, measure of arc AB, measure of arc, this arc, okay, is equal to measure of the central angle. Okay, do not forget this formula, it's too important. Okay, measure of arc is equal to measure of its central angle. Okay, a semicircle is an arc of a circle whose endpoints are the endpoints of a diameter. Okay, a semicircle is an arc of a circle whose endpoints are the endpoints of a diameter. What was the diameter? Diameter was the biggest chord. It means 2 R's. Okay, a semicircle is a circle which their endpoints are the endpoints of a diameter. Okay, so measure of AB, measure of this AB is equal to measure of AOB. It means measure of this angle is equal to measure of this big what? Arc. So we have said that a circle's degree is 360 degrees. Okay, it means if we have a center, the degrees around this point is what? 360. And if we divide into 2 circles, it means they are semicircle. Okay, semicircle, and also this is another semicircle. So 180 degree, and the addition of these 2 degrees is 360. So when it's 180, this arc, for example, AB, okay, this semicircle arc is also 180, because we have said that the measure of the arc is equal to the measure of its central angle. And also, the degree measure of a major arc is 360 minus the measure of the central angle. That is MCAB, as you see, measure of what? CAB. Okay, it's 360 minus CB. What is CB? This is CB. Okay, sorry, this is CB. And if you are going to find the measure of CAB, you are going to subtract measure of the arc CB from the 360. Okay, pay attention to the examples. Find the measure of the central angle of the following circles. Okay, first, okay, we have said that measure of AB, okay, measure of arc AB is equal to measure of the angle AOB. Okay, Measure of the arc is equal to measure of the central angle. So what is the measure of arc is equal to 50 degree. So 50 degrees is equal to the measure of AOB. Okay, so in here it's also 50 degree. Look at the second example, 120. Okay, we have an also central angle. That's what was central angle? An angle with its vertices in the center of the circle. So also measure of DC, arc DC is equal to measure of angle COD. So what's the measure of DC is equal to 120. So the measure of COD is equal to 120. Okay, means this is also 120. Look, in the previous page I have told you that what was the degree of a circle? All of the arc of the circle is 360, and also the degree of, look, the degree of this point is also 360. But if we divide the circle into two parts, every one will be 180. Okay, so when the arc is 180, this angle is also 180. Okay. Okay, what was the arc length of a circle? In the previous sessions, we have studied the degree of the arc. Okay, degree of what was the degree of the arc? Degree of the arc was equal to the degree of the central angle, its central angles. Okay, but today we are going to study how to find the length of the arc. In a circle, the ratio of the length of a given arc AB to a circumference is equal to the ratio of the measure of the arc to 360 degree. It means if we divide arc length of AB, it means this length over circumference of the circle. What was the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. It means this circumference of the circle is equal to measure of AB. It means the degree of the AB, arc AB, over 360 degree. So if we simplify, so the arc length of AB is equal to 2 pi r. What was 2 pi r is equal to circumference. Circumference times A, it means the degree of the arc over 360 degree. Okay, in the above formula, the measure of an arc is given in degree. Okay, in here the measure of AB was in degree, but the length of an arc is given in linear units such as centimeter. Okay, but the length of arc is measured by what? By unit such as centimeter. Okay, but the degree was in degree. Okay, as you see, we are going to find the arc length of AB. Okay, arc length of AB, arc length of AB. Okay, arc length of AB. So arc length of AB equals to 2 times pi times r times A over 360. So is equal to 2 times pi times, what is r? R is equal to 6 centimeter times A. What is A? In here I have told you 180 degrees. So 180 over 360. Okay, is equal to 180 and 360 is 1 over 2. Okay, it means 2 times pi times 6 centimeter times 1 over 2. So we can cancel 2 with 2. So the answer is 6 centimeter times pi. What is pi? Pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, pi is equal to 3.14. If you subtract, if you multiply it, you will get a number. 6 times 4, 24. 24. 6 times 1, 8. 6 times 3, 18. So we have 2 points here. 1, 2. 16.64 centimeter is the length of this arc. Okay, in order to find the length of arc CD, length of what? CD, it equals to 2 times pi times r times A over 36 degree. is equal to 2 times pi. Pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, then what is r? R is equal to 10 centimeter. Is equal to, what's a? A is 90 degree. Okay, 90 over times 90 over 360, 1 over 4. Okay, 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Okay, 20 times pi times 1 over 4 is equal to 1 times 4, 4. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. It means 5 pi. You're going to multiply 5 by 3.14. Okay, centimeter. So the arc length of CD will be equal to 5 times 3.14 centimeters. Okay, dear students, thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.